Did you know that you can make money on Fiverr without being a freelancer or without offering your freelancing services? The method which I'm going to show you, in this method you would be just driving a traffic onto the Fiverr and making money just by introducing the buyers to the freelancers and the freelancers to the persons who require the freelancers. So this technique or this method is called affiliate marketing, and the Fiverr also have their affiliate program. In this video, I am going to show you everything you need to know about the Fiverr affiliate program. So you can follow me along. Just click the link which is given in the description, the first link, and it will take you to this page. And from here, you can click this join button and you can join the Fiverr affiliate program. As you can see that here they are saying that you can boost your earnings by driving the traffic to the Fiverr, meaning by that you can promote the leading marketplace for freelancing services and get paid to the drive traffic. So how it is going to happen? Step 1, you are going to join the affiliate program. It's free. Step 2, you are going to promote the Fiverr. And step 3, that you are going to earn the money. The commission plan I'm going to show you in a minute. But what you can promote is that there are different Fiverr affiliate programs. You can promote the Fiverr affiliates, Fiverr learning, Fiverr workspace, and the other services of the Fiverr also. The drawback of the Fiverr affiliate program is that you would only get paid for the first time buyers, meaning by that if you have introduced someone to a freelancer in Fiverr market, if that person buys the freelancers for the first time, you will get paid. But if it comes back again, you will not be paid. And on the flip side, the good thing is that there is no maximum earning limit. So how would you join the Fiverr affiliate program? As I've already said, that the link to this page is in the description. Click that link, you will reach this page, then click join now. Here you are going to fill the details. There are simple details: name, address, email and passwords, your country, phone number, etc. Just fill in the details. One more page would be somewhere like that, and then you will be taken to the Fiverr affiliate dashboard. The Fiverr affiliate dashboard would look like this one, but before I go into the Fiverr affiliate dashboard, let me show you the commission structure. The Fiverr affiliate has different programs to promote, and they also have a different commission structure. For example, the Fiverr CPA offer, or cost per action offer, has a dynamic CPA of $15 to $150 depending upon what service your first time buyer will purchase. So I'm going to explain this now. This means that if, let's say, I search the digital planners onto the Fiverr, and then you would see that these all Fiverr gigs would appear, but on the top you would see that there is a toggle switch of pro services, and once you will hover your mouse here, you would see that these services these are the freelancers which are professionally vetted, verified for quality and service. So if you click this on, the page would get refreshed, and from here you would see that on the bottom right of the gig you would see that it is a pro verified. So these are the pro services, and that is why this person is charging $210. But if you promote the pro services, you will get the $150. So this is how the commission structure of the Fiverr affiliate program works. Similarly, they also have a Fiverr hybrid model in which you will get the 10% CPA right at the time of the person who buys the freelancer through your link, and then you will get a 10% revenue share for the next 12 months. So this is also a good idea of generating a monthly revenue, but again the downside is that after 12 months it will not be a recurring commission, so it will end at the end of 12 months. So you'll have to continue sending the people to the Fiverr so that you keep generating this 10%, or else you can straight away get $150 right on the at the time of conversion, and then you can move on. Similarly, if you see here the Fiverr business services, you will get $100 plus 10%. Again, this is for the 12 months. Fiverr affiliates, you will get 10%. The Fiverr has a sub affiliate program also, which means that if you promote the Fiverr affiliate program and somebody joins the affiliate program through your link, you will get 10% of their earnings for the whole life. Similarly, they also have the different online courses available. So if somebody orders the course, you will get 30% of the price of that course, and work services, the commission is 50% for an unlimited plan. The breakdown of this $15 to $150 is explained here. For the pro services, you will get $150. For industrial and product designs, and data science, mobile apps, e-commerce, the commission is $50. Similarly, as you move on to these services, the commission would start to decrease. As you can see here that if you are promoting the gaming gigs, then you will get $25, and for all the other categories which are not mentioned on the top, you will get $15. So now how you are going to promote the Fiverr gig? The easiest way is that if you have a blog or if you have a YouTube channel and you make the videos on a particular niche. For example, if you make the videos about the digital planners, you can search the digital planners here and all the digital planners would appear. You can straight away promote this complete page, or you can promote one particular individual. The method which I'm going to show you would remain same. So for example, if I want to promote the complete page, I'm just going to copy this link. I will go to the affiliate dashboard, then click the marketing tools, and from here I will go to default and deep links, and here I will paste my link. Click enter, and you would see that all these links have been changed. So now from here I can copy if I want to promote this at a CPA. If I want to promote this page as a Fiverr hybrid, I can copy this link. You can shorten these links later on with the help of link shorteners. Similarly, if I want to, let's say, promote a pro service single person, I can click on his profile. Now this is the particular gig. Let's say if I want to promote, I can copy his URL. I can go to the Fiverr affiliate dashboard. I can again go and copy this link over here, enter, and then you will get the customized link. So these links are called the deep links. If somebody, let's say, let me show you, if I can copy this link here, and if I go to a new tab and I click paste and go, you would see that it will take me to back to this particular gig. So if somebody hires this freelancer, I'm going to get $150. So the last thing which I want to recommend is that how and what you should promote. Just go and see onto the Fiverr what all the categories you would see here, and try to find out that which of these subcategories match with your niche. For example, if you are into the blogging business, you can see that there is a article and blog posts here. I can click this. Now it has taken me to the blog post writers, which are the Fiverr Pro services, which are offering the Fiverr Pro services. I can simply click that link, copy, go to the Fiverr dashboard, click here, get the unique URL, shorten that link, and I can share that link in my YouTube descriptions, or I can share my link in my blog posts or on the social media accounts, and I can promote these things onto the people who are looking for the freelancers. Write a blog post on how to hire a freelancer or from where to hire the freelancer. You can write the blog post such as top 10 logo designers on Fiverr, so top 10 article on blog post writers on Fiverr, top 10 translation or transcriptions services on Fiverr, top 10 email copy writers on Fiverr, top 10 sales copywriter on Fiverr. So these are all the gigs that you can promote and you can earn money. I've given my link in the description. Just go click that, go onto the Fiverr and search for yourself. You would find many ideas how you can promote the Fiverr gigs. In any case, thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.